Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Nameless ROM on yureka. So first of all, you make sure that you have rooted your device and you are on the custom recovery, that is twrp recovery. And once you do that, go to settings and go to developer options. Once you go there, here on the USB debugging, and here you can find that advanced reboot option, but I'm on the different ROM, so for me it will be here in the interface in the power menu, advanced reboot. Once you do that, hold the power key and hit on reboot. You will get all this and hit on recovery. Make sure that you have copied your ROM in the internal memory or external memory. I have put the link in the description of the ROM. It's currently rebooting into twrp recovery. Yep, we are on twrp recovery. Once you go there, hit on wipe and here hit on advanced wipe. Okay, wipe everything, data, leave internal storage and cache, and that's it. Why do like this, or you can even wipe internal storage, but I require files, so I'm swiping here. It takes a lot of time, so you have to be patient. Yep, the process seems to be completed. And once you go there, go back, go to install tab. Once you go there, I'm on the internal memory right now, and you can see that Nameless ROM 3.0 Tomato, and I'm adding GApps and flash. This flashing may take long time, so don't be tense, be patient.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Enjoy Nameless ROM, and here GApps is flashing GApps, open GApps. I have put the link for the description for even it for the open GApps, so you can download it. It also takes some time, so you have to be patient. It's about to complete. Yep, we have successfully installed. Once you do that, wipe cache dialog and hit on swipe to wipe. Yep, done. And go back and reboot the system. The first boot may take 5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, so you have to be patient.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Let me go with the English United States. As the brightness is too high, you can't do anything. Skip everything. I'll do it later. Skip anyway. Yep, we have successfully booted up. The room will be slow for first 5 minutes, so you have to either reboot your phone or I'm sorry. Yep. Actually, screen colors are not visible on this room, so I have set it. Or else you can't see anything on this display. You have to set it here to night. That means you have to go to color calibration and set everything to 42. Then the colors will be okay. I'm saying it will be okay, not so awesome. For video recording it's too poor. But anyhow, we have installed successfully the Nameless on yureka. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Marshmallow, you can see it.